can you tell me about this one?
I love this truck. It's nice. It's got the pass-through door, so like if you're delivering things, you can, go from the driver's seat to the back and get your inventory or whatever that you need to deliver. So that's kind of cool. It's nice because it's not super tall as far as clearance goes. You still have to watch your bridges and stuff, but
right. 11'6".
But it's not quite as intimidating for some people to drive.
Right.
Takes unleaded fuel. It's a newer truck. It's got like 50. I think it's 50,000 miles.
Here, that VIN number will tell me which engine it is.
Yeah. Yeah. Should tell you. And then, as you can see, it's
oh wow, yeah.
It's like
very nice shape.
The only damage I know is up here. It was done the first time it went out.
The first time it went out. Oh, they had to do it the first time it went out.
And then there's some scratches that have been recent, like tree branch scratches, but that's it.
Right. That's almost inevitable.
Yeah.
Around here, we live in the desert. That probably wouldn't happen.
Right. And it's got the low step. And it also has a ramp in the back here.
Okay. Wooden floor.
Wooden floor.
That was one of his questions, and I went, "Oh, it's a floor," and I went, "Oh, I didn't look."
Yeah, most of our trucks have wood floors.
Okay, it's got to
yeah, because metal floors aren't very good because your equipment moves around.
That makes sense, yeah.
So you've got E-track and wood railings here.
And that's what he called that, E-track. It's like, yeah, sure, that's what that is. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. The Kemworth is just all E-track.
Yeah.
Okay, it has a cargo light. The controls for that are in the cab.
Okay.
Whereas
cool.
the Kemworth has a daylight roof. So.
Yeah.
Whereas this one has a steel roof.
Right.
They all have air conditioning and all that good stuff.
All the creature comforts.
Yeah, all the features. They'll always wanted the customers to be comfortable doing the job that they needed to do and not have to worry about whether the truck was going to break down or the air conditioning or that.
And this was a how long box?
14.
14 foot? Okay.
Yeah.
Probably the thing I didn't do on the Kenworth is get a picture of the dash. I think I was just so awe-inspired by